This HP laptop just came in the shop because this thing is obnoxiously loud. I mean, just take a listen. That right there would drive me crazy. And if you're curious what's causing this obnoxious behavior, well, if we just pull off the bottom cover and set the computer up in what I call tent mode, the second we fire it up, we can see that it's all coming from this fan right here. And it's even more obnoxious now. But what's kind of interesting about this fan is that typically when these fans fail, it's because either one of the fan blades breaks off or you have some kind of debris in the fan bearing itself. But that's not what's going on here. Because although from the top you may not be able to notice it, from the side, you'll notice there's actually an indentation right at the bottom of the fan right there. See, it's perfectly flat around the backside of the fan, but right up here, it's actually indented. I'm not sure the best way to show it, but every time you spin the fan, it hits right where it says M2 by L3. So what I'm assuming caused this is that somehow some kind of harsh pressure got pushed right about here on top of this fan. This is probably one of the most fragile points of the bottom cover thanks to the ventilation right here. And it just happened to line up with the weak point on the actual fan itself, denting it in. And when you spin a fan really fast and it hits something over and over again, you get that annoying noise. And although we could replace this, I want to try fixing it first by taking my plastic pry tool and lifting it up just a little bit to the point where it's no longer dented in. And I think that might just work because it's spinning freely now. But we can test it by putting it back in tent mode, firing it back up to see that our fan is now perfectly quiet because it's no longer hitting the frame over and over again.